નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Student, today we are going to start standard 7th and our subject is social science. Chapter number 2, India Climate and Natural Resources.
Student, today we start our new lesson, chapter number 2, India Climate and Natural Resources. So if we talk about India, in the solar system we live on the earth, and in the solar system only earth is one planet where we can get live. We get atmosphere, climate and natural resources only on the earth. And India has 3 seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. So India have 3 seasons, and while other countries, if we think like America, Canada, they are very cold climate. They are not a mixture of climate. So most of there are winter season. And we think about Africa, so it is hot country. So it is most of there are summer season. And also if we have different type of temperature, so we can get in India different type of crops, because our India is an agriculture country, and because of this different type of atmosphere we can get many different type of crops also in different seasons. So we can get also wheat, most of in Gujarat. In south if we see, there is also we can get more rice. So different type of places, different in the state also there is a different temperature. So if we talk about climate and climate condition, so first we understand what is meant by climate. So climate is an average weather condition that exists in an area over a long period of time. And condition, what is climate condition? So condition is related to a climate or a weather. So we call them climate condition. So let's start our new lesson, chapter number 2, India Climate and Natural Resources. India is a vast country in terms of area. So area wise, if we see, India is a very big country, and due to the vast natural diversity, the climatic condition differ means different from region to region. Means due to the vast natural diversity, means there are very big country. India is a very big country, and there is a in a different part there is a very diversity, means difference. We can see the climate is different in different state from region to region. If we go one region, if we are living in Gujarat, so here it is very hot. In summer season, Gujarat is high temperature. While if we see in Kerala, so there are rainy season. So if we see that the natural diversities in a different place, in a different varieties. So that's why we can say, due to the vast natural diversities, the climate condition is differ. Differ means different in from region to region. So each region, every state, they have a different climate. Climate refers. So here also we can understand what is meant by climate. Climate refers to the average weather condition over a long period of time. So we can understand climate. What is climate? Refer to the average weather. We also know what is average. So average weather of the condition over a long period of time. The altitude of the place, location of mountains, plateaus, distance from the sea or ocean, the tides and current of the sea or the ocean, and forest cover play an important role in creating the climatic condition of a place. So how we can decide it? If we go to the mountain area, so we can't feel too much hotness there. India is situated in the northern hemisphere and lies between 8 degree north to 37 degree north latitudes, the Tropic of the Cancer, because on the earth upper side there is a Tropic of Cancer, passes through the middle of the country. Due to this, northern India experiences a cooler climate and it's warm in the central region. Because of the Tropic of Cancer, it is passes through the middle of the country. So it passes in the middle of the country. So that's why in the north part means there is a Kashmir, Manali. So that one is very Jammu and Kashmir. That part is very cool. And the warm in the central region. Several places of the country are more than 1500 kilometers away from the coast, means sea coast. Due to this, those places experience extreme climate conditions, with both winters and summer being severe. Severe means very bad. However, the places situated at higher altitudes are cooler. Example, Srinagar, Manali. So here is which place is far away from 1000 to 1500 kilometer far from the coast, means sea, ocean. It is very far from the state or a place. So due to these places experiences very climatic, extreme climatic condition, and both winter and summer it is very bad. So that's why the places situated at higher altitude are cooler like Srinagar and Manali. The rainfall in India is due to the seasonal winds. These winds do not always blow in the same condition throughout the year. So the wind is not always blow. Blow means to go one place only blowing. It is not similar exact whole year. So different time there is a different. So this result is unequal, means not to equal distribution of rainfall in a different part of a country. Thus Meghalaya and Assam experiences heavy rainfall, whereas there is a scanty. Scanty means insufficient rainfall in the desert region of Rajasthan. So why, if we understand why the rainfall is not same in all over the country, same time, same rainy season, but somewhere very too much rain, some place are not too much rain. Because of understand the rainfall of India is seasonal winds. First of all this, and second is this wind is not always same condition, same blows at the same direction throughout the year. So that's why Assam and Meghalaya, they have experienced heavy rainfall. Even in South India also they have many heavy rainfall, while in comparison to Gujarat. So in Gujarat we can't feel too much rainy season, and in exact comparison to Gujarat and Maharashtra, so there Maharashtra there is very heavy rainfall in comparison to Gujarat. So this is the reason, because the wind is not always blow in the same condition throughout the year. So some places have heavy rainfall and some places have not too much rainfall. Southern India being a peninsula. Peninsula means a piece of land almost entirely surrounded by water, but it is connected the mainland on one side. So there is one side is land and three side it is covered with water. It is surrounded by water bodies along its three sides. Due to this, places near the sea coast experiences moderate heat and cold. So consequently, means as a result, these areas enjoyed a moderate climate. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are on the east and west coast of South India respectively. This also has an effect on the seasonal rainfall. Winds changing their course according to the seasons is especially climate. India experiences all these three seasons like winter, summer and monsoon. So there are peninsula where there are three parts. There is a three side of water and one is mainland. So because of the near sea coast, the climate is moderate heat and moderate cold. And that's why as a result, consequently means as a result what happened? The area enjoyed moderate climate like the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. Also, the east and west coast of South India is respectively. This also has an effect of seasonal rainfall. Winds changing their courses according to the season, and it is specially features of India's climate. And India experiences three types of seasons. Rainy season means monsoon season, winter and summer seasons. If we give a brief information about the location and climate condition of India, so we can say that India is a very big country and that's why the climate varies, means varieties among its regions. And India is located between 8 degree north to 37 degree north latitudes in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of the Cancer passes through the center of India. Due to this, the climate of North India remains cold, whereas central is remain hot. Moreover, South India is peninsular, so it is covered with water on three sides, and hence South India experiences moderate climate. Many states of India is more than 1500 kilometers away from the sea coast. So hence in such a region, winter are too cold and summer is too hot. Example in Delhi. However, areas that it is very hot and very far from the sea, but situated at a higher altitude, always remain cool. Example Srinagar and Manali. The seasonal winds bring rain in India, and also these winds blow more than one direction, and hence India recovers uneven rainfall. It is different region. Example, Meghalaya receives heavy rainfall and desert receives scanty, means very small, very less in rainfall. And Eastern Ghats are also located in the eastern and western region, are also located in the western and south peninsula. India experiences three seasons: summer, winter and monsoon season. Thank you for joining us.